Jennifer's 2023 Cadillac Escalade engine was knocking so loud that she had to pull over to the side on the freeway with her kids in the car. The dealership ended up replacing the entire engine, only for the noise to come back again after several months. With our help, Cadillac was forced to give her a full refund. And here's exactly how we did that and how we could also help you get the same results. The Cadillac Escalade is one of the most iconic luxury SUVs ever made. It's been a status symbol for over 25 years, with a price tag that can push past $100,000. Jennifer bought her 2023 Escalade brand new in California. 6.2-liter V8 up to 420 horsepower. A cabin that rivals a luxury sedan, and a price that reflects all of it. When you buy an Escalade, you're buying the top of the top, and you expect it to perform like it. She thought she was making a smart investment, but within months, that investment became a nightmare. One day, while driving her kids, she heard a loud knocking sound from the engine of her Cadillac Escalade. Not a tap, not a tick, a deep, heavy knock. The kind of noise that makes you pull over immediately because it sounds like the engine is about to come apart. It was so loud and constant, she was afraid it would fail completely with her children in the car. She brought it to the dealership. They found heavy metal debris in the oil and rod bearings causing failure. The repair order said metal contamination found in oil, rod bearing failure diagnosed, full engine replacement authorized. Let us translate that for you. This one is actually honest. The defect was too severe to downplay. But here's what matters. Even after a full engine replacement, if the problem returns, it proves the issue is systemic, not just a bad part. One engine failing is a defect. Two engines failing is a pattern. They replaced the entire engine on her 2023 Escalade. They told her it was fixed, but weeks later, the knocking came back, even louder than before. Meanwhile, Jennifer had been driving her children in a vehicle with a failing engine. Think about that. An Escalade weighs over 5,700 pounds. At highway speed, an engine failure isn't an inconvenience, it's a crisis. She stopped taking the freeway. She stopped driving the kids to school in it. A vehicle she bought for comfort and safety was causing her anxiety every time she turned the key. Here's what makes cases like Jennifer's especially strong under California's lemon law. When a manufacturer replaces an entire major component, like an engine, and the same problem comes back, it demonstrates that the defect isn't just a faulty part. It's a fundamental issue with the vehicle itself. Under the lemon law, one repair attempt for a defect that could cause death or serious injury may be enough to qualify. You don't always need multiple visits. If the problem is serious enough, one failed attempt on your 2023 Cadillac Escalade can be all it takes. For a vehicle that you pay so much for, that is not acceptable. That's a lemon. When Jennifer reached out to us, we reviewed her repair records, built her lemon law case, and helped her file a claim against Cadillac. The result? A full refund, including the down payment, monthly payments, taxes, interest, and even the registration fees. The best part is she didn't pay anything out of pocket. All she gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we've helped thousands of California drivers just like you get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your car is a lemon, give us a call or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in less than 30 seconds.